Jason Daynard here from the Calgary Stockyards with your weekly cattle market report for this week ending July 25th on a fairly big and very strong week of trade. On the direct trade this week, we saw fed cattle steady with trade on either side of $5 on the rail delivered. It should also be noted that on team this week, we saw a load of steers trade live at 303.5 FOB cut knife Saskatchewan. Cows on the direct trade steady with trade on either side of $4.30 on the rail delivered. It should also be noted on team this week that we saw a part load of cows trade out of Kisby, Saskatchewan live at $2.10. Feeder cattle market continues on at record levels and levels as high as we have ever seen. This week on team, we saw about 4,000 feeders trade as follows. We saw 1,000-pound steers trade from $4 to $4.22. 9-weight steers, 4.25 to 4.28. Heifers, 4.06 to 4.18. Moving on to the calves, we did see 8-weight steer calves trade from 4.92 to 5.02, over $4,000 a calf for those bigger 8-weight steer calves for delivery in September and October. Heifers, these are yearlings, 4.04 to 4.45. 7-weight steer calves, 4.80 to 5.53. Heifers at 5.19. It should be noted that those heifers are replacement type heifers at 5.19. 6-weight steer calves, 5.17 to 5.81. Heifers, 4.90 to 5.50. Again, those 5.50 heifers, those are replacement type heifers as well. 5-weight steer calves, 5.87 to 6.13. And heifers, 4.52 to 5.61. And please note that most of these team feeder cattle prices are picked up at the farm or ranch. And it should also be noted that the big spread, in particular on the calves, is based on what they are, where they are, and when they deliver. And join us again on Friday. We're expecting another nice lineup of immediate delivery yearlings coming off grass late summer, early fall, and of course, I would expect more trade on the calves at the levels that we're currently enjoying. And for further market information, visit us online at teamauctionsales.com, on Facebook at Team Auction Sales, on X at Jason Daynard, email jasondaynard@hotmail.com, or call or text anytime 403-519-8916. Have a great week.